So here's a side-by-side comparison of the stock KTM muffler that comes stock in all the brand new 2023 and 2024 250 and 300 XC and SX models, and the FMF Turbinecore 2.1 KTM Power Parts Edition exhaust. The FMF appears to be just about a little shy of 4 inches longer than the KTM exhaust. I'm curious to see, if size really does matter, how much that'll change the top end on this bike, or any of the power characteristics for that matter. They're about the same width, so packing wise it'll actually honestly be a little more quiet because of that spark arrestor, and the length is overall longer, so there's more packing in there. Curious to see how it sounds. Let's get her mounted up on here and let this thing rip. All right, the FMF 2.1 Turbinecore silencer is installed. Let's see how she sounds. Maybe a little quieter. I'm sure my neighbors absolutely love me doing this, but the kids over there think it's cool. Eventually too, I plan on getting a fatty pipe for this bike, FMF fatty pipe, to test out the top end characteristics of that, to see how much different that is compared to the stock pipe. I actually really like the stock pipe. I think the stock pipe handles well. The whole stock exhaust system I thought was really good this year. It had a lot of power, and it seemed like the bike breathed really well, even with this new throttle body injection system. So I'm excited to try out this new pipe at the Ironman GNCC this weekend. It's supposed to be a good race. Can't wait to rip this bike out.